Imagine watching an entire building appear almost overnight, not built by workers, not built brick by brick, but printed by a machine. And somehow, this is no longer imagination. It's real technology. Around the world, massive robotic construction printers are being used to create homes, walls, and even full structures. Instead of traditional construction, these machines build layer by layer using specially designed concrete materials, controlled entirely by digital blueprints. And honestly, watching it in real time feels completely unreal, because it doesn't look like construction anymore. It looks like a machine is drawing a building into reality. These giant printers move slowly but with extreme precision. Following exact design data, they deposit material layer after layer until walls start forming out of nothing. Some systems are already capable of building major sections of houses significantly faster than traditional construction crews. And because everything is automated, it reduces labor requirements, material waste, and construction time. But the most interesting part is not speed, it's consistency. Because unlike human workers, these machines don't make fatigue-based errors. Some companies are already testing systems that can operate continuously with minimal interruption, and that changes everything about construction. But this technology is evolving extremely fast. Researchers are now developing stronger printable materials, faster robotic extrusion systems, automated reinforcement methods, and AI-based construction planning. Some experts believe that in emergency situations, entire homes could be printed in days after natural disasters. Others imagine future cities where large portions of infrastructure are built and repaired by autonomous machines. And the speed is what surprises people most, because structures that normally take months could eventually be completed in days, or even hours in optimized conditions. And that raises a big question. If buildings can be printed, what does construction even mean anymore? The strange part is, this may completely change the future of architecture, because once buildings become digitally printable, construction stops being manual work and starts becoming automated manufacturing. Designs can become more complex, more futuristic, more experimental, because robots don't struggle with repetition or scale the way humans do, which means future cities could be shaped not by labor limits, but by imagination and code. And when you see these massive printers operating in real environments, it already feels like the future arrived early, a future where buildings are not assembled, but produced. The craziest part? This technology is still evolving, which means the printed buildings we see today may one day look extremely basic compared to what comes next. Because future systems may not just print houses, they may print entire city blocks automatically. And honestly, that future might be closer than we think.